Material and inventory training. What is material and inventory training? Material and inventory training analyzes the restored focus on running companies leaner, properly, and also efficiently. The restored stress to lower cost along with investment, while preserving client service levels, is necessary for world-class performance. Material and inventory training highlights exactly how inventory associates straight to circulation and warehousing, purchasing individuals who have already taken managing inventory. Material and inventory course consists of conversation of acquisition law, procedures management, prices, negotiations, as well as logistics. Material and inventory course participants will learn why businesses hold products, supplies, just how they acquire them, and also just how they manage them efficiently. You will certainly likewise find out exactly how to anticipate, strategy, as well as carbon monoxide ordinate, and also to determine the success of a product's administration feature. About Material and Inventory Training Certification. Material and Inventory Training Program will provide more insight into the inventory and material flow process improvement and knowledge of the environment of managing order cycle, demand forecast and lead time of suppliers, and undertake effective scheduling of materials. Who can attend? Participants interested in career or improving skills and knowledge in supply chain management and inventory management, or whose job profile covers inventory management, for any junior member in the inventory team who would like to gain subject knowledge required to perform better in the workplace. Significance of Material and Inventory in 2021. Material and Inventory Training course aims to outfit candidates with the latest abilities for managing the supply chain, logistics, distribution, storage space, etc. of resources, as well as impart training for boosting result. The deficiency of beneficial resources have actually made material and inventory one of the growing and guaranteeing job choices. The material and inventory prospects can be employed in acquiring, storing, and supplying departments of defense, railways, public transportation, etc. They likewise can locate lucrative employment possibilities in commercial facilities, business residences, supply chain markets, as well as exclusive transporters, and so on. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are Material and Inventory Training course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best material and inventory exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Material and inventory exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for material and inventory training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/